In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone on Google Meet. Inviting participants to your virtual meetings can be a breeze when you know the steps. So let's dive right in and make sure you're confident in extending invitations via Google Meet. First, head over to Google Calendar. This will be your primary starting point for scheduling and managing your meetings. Once you're there, you'll want to locate a time slot where you have planned to host a Google Meet session. Click on it to open the meeting details. Next, you'll find an option to edit the event. You'll want to click on Edit Event to access all the settings and options available for your meeting. Now, let's move on to the invitation part. Look for the Add Guests section. This is where you can input the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite. Simply type in the attendees' emails to start filling up your guest list. After adding all the necessary guests, it's time to confirm and save your changes. Click on the Save button, which ensures all the additions and modifications you've made are securely updated. Of course, Google Calendar will want to make sure you actually intend to send out these invitations, so you'll need to click OK on a pop-up confirmation that appears. Once you've confirmed, the next step is to click Send to dispatch the invites to your guests. This step is essential as it triggers an email invitation, letting your attendees know about the event and including a joining link for the Google Meet session. For those of you who prefer a more direct approach, you can also use Google Meet directly. Head over to Google Meet. Here, you'll see an option to start a new meeting. Within this menu, choose Start an Instant Meeting to immediately begin a meeting. Once your meeting room is open, you need to click on the People icon. This brings up the option to add more participants in real time. Select Add People and a search field will appear. Start typing the names or emails of those you wish to invite. After you've selected the additional attendees by checking the corresponding boxes next to their names, it's time to finalize the process. Choose Send Email to ensure your selected attendees are notified and can join your meeting seamlessly. And there you have it. You now know 2 effective ways to invite someone to a Google Meet session, ensuring both planned and spontaneous meetings have the participation you need. Thanks for joining in, and remember to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.